Hello reception. We're going to start by singing a new song which I wrote called Hear the Birds, and it's a call and response song. So I sing it first and then you sing it back to me, okay? So you're singing the bit with the little screen, okay? So my turn first. I'm going to sing and you're going to sing it back to me. Listening. Hear the birds, hear the birds, flying high, flying high. Hear them chirp, as they sing, as they sing. Can you hear the birds? What can you hear now? It's very quiet. My turn. I hear trees, swaying leaves, swaying leaves. Hear the trees, in the breeze, in the breeze. What will you hear next? What's that? My turn first. I hear steps, walking by, walking by. Footsteps crunch, footsteps crunch. Say goodbye, say goodbye. It's a little bit quieter. And quieter still. Let's just listen to the end now. In a moment, you can have a go at playing the pulse on an instrument. So you can choose to play a shaker. So here's my little pot with my lentils and things inside. You can play your sticks. Or if you've got bells at home or anything else that rings, you can play those. In a moment, we're going to sing that song again, playing the pulse with our instruments, and you can watch me play the instrument and I'll sing and play with you. Okay, so let's get our bells. If you've got some bells, you can play along. I hear birds, flying high, hear them chirp, as they sing, as they sing. shaking instrument for the crunching of the feet. I hear steps, walking by, footsteps crunch, say goodbye, loud. Thank you for joining me, reception. That's all we're going to do this week, but I hope that you'll join me next week. Bye bye.